Welcome to 12.5 Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to create a brand new and fast Psiphon server for 2025, and how to use it effectively with the HTTP Custom VPN app. Psiphon is a powerful tool used to bypass internet censorship, providing secure and unrestricted internet access. Let's dive right into the setup process. First, open any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type UDP Custom. From the search results, locate and click on the official website to create a Psiphon server. Once the homepage loads, look towards the top right corner of the website. You'll see a menu button. Click on it. A drop-down list will appear, showing several menu options. From the menu, click on the one labeled Psiphon server. This will take you to a new page that displays available server locations. Here, click on the Create Psiphon button to initiate server creation. It will only take a few seconds. After the server is created, click on the Copy button to copy the Psiphon entry key to your clipboard. Now that you've created and copied your server key, head back to your mobile device's home screen. Open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type HTTP Custom. In the search results, tap on the HTTP Custom VPN app and download it. The installation process may take a few moments. Once the app is installed, launch it. On the home screen of the HTTP Custom app, you'll see a checkbox next to the word Psiphon. Tick this checkbox to activate the Psiphon settings. Next, tap the plugin icon located at the top of the screen. You will now see multiple protocol settings. Select Psiphon settings to proceed with configuration. Inside Psiphon settings, for the protocol selection, choose any protocol or simply select all. For the region, pick any location you prefer. In the server entry field, paste the Psiphon server key you copied earlier. Once you've completed all configurations, go back to the home screen. Now you're ready to connect. Click on the Connect button to start the VPN. It may take a few seconds to establish the connection. And that's it. You've successfully created a Psiphon server and connected it using HTTP Custom VPN. This method ensures a secure and speedy connection to access the open internet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment your questions or thoughts, and subscribe for more practical tech tutorials. Stay safe and see you in the next video.